Hi guys, this is Rakesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create footer part and header part with the help of Angular framework, right? So first of all, we need to basic understanding of component, right? Because component is very important for creating a web page. So let's start with what is component. So first of all, component is just like a function that is you can say that is used for code reusability, right? So if I talk about any other framework like React, so React is also based on component, right? And if I talk about Angular, so Angular is also totally based on component. Without component you cannot create any web page, right? So component is just like a piece of code, right? You can use for multiple purpose. That's it, that is called component. So I make one ppt I have make one ppt for component. So now here you can see there are four sections. First is header, second is left sidebar, third is right sidebar, and last is footer. So how to create a component? How to create this space with the help of component in Angular? So first of all, now let's move on real project. So first of all, we will create we'll create two component. First is header, second is footer. So I have already discussed about how to create footer sorry component in previous lecture. So now you can create a component with the help of two things. First is you can create manually, you can create with the help of ng command. So first of all I will go inside my project directory, my dream sorry my dream app. Okay, I will generate a component with the help of ng for generate c4 component and write here component name, right? So this is a very basic things how to create component. It will take some time. Now here you can see there are some file which is include only one component. First is html, second is space.ts, and third is component.ts, and fourth is component.css. So I will create another component like ng generate component footer, right? Now here you can see header.component.spec.ts. This is only used for testing purpose. We don't need this file, you can delete from here. And after that I have create another component footer, right? So let's start with header part. Now let's move on header.component.html, right? So inside this component, first of all I will use div element. Inside this div element I will just use header tag. It is just a html tag, right? So inside this header tag I will write some text like welcome to my channel, right? And I want to also apply some css properties. So I will just create a css class for styling purpose. Like here you can write header, and after that I will save and we will go inside header component.css and write css class CSS class, and here I will use background color. You can choose any color you want, and I will save, and again I will go inside my project, right? So my project is running on localhost 5000, right? Now here you can see there are no any output. So behind this scene, first of all, whenever we will create a component. First of all, uh, we need to use custom tag. So what is custom tag? So custom tag, here you can see inside selectors, this is a custom tag. So I will use this custom tag inside my root file like html app.component.html. So I will use inside this file, and also I will close this tag. Now again I will save, and now here you can see the output is here. So I think it is not looking good. So let's use we will use some CSS properties like you can use padding. I think 4% is enough, and not 43 you want, you can use. Second is margin is also 0. Height is, you can set auto. Width is auto. Now after that I will save, and again now here you can see this is perfect, but now this tag is looking bad. Okay, so now let's move on. I will display this tag on center, right? So we will use text align center, and now here you can see, okay, this is perfect, but now I want to this tag inside strong tag, right? Strong tag is which is used for bold text, right? You want to use, you can easily use strong. Now this is perfect, and after that I will use let's move on footer part, right? So this is the header part is also complete, and you can use interpolation, because you have already know what is interpolation. So I will go inside my header.component.ts, and here I will write some properties like header, like header. Inside this header I will use a string, and here I will write here welcome to my channel. These header properties I will use inside my strong tag with the help of interpolation, right? That's it. Now here you can see the same output here, but I having some issue. What is I getting some error? Property header does not exist on type header.component. So first of all I will save this file. Now again it's fixed. So this is just same. Now let's move on footer part, right? So I will copy this code inside header.html. component.html. I will copy and I will paste inside footer.component.html, right? And I will just I have to change something here, like you can write footer class properties, and also you can use footer tag, right? footer tag footer tag, and here you can write something you want, like I want something like footer, and inside footer I will just write, like you can write here copyright file, right? I will save again, and now let's move on. Footer component.html and write footer properties. Now here you can see there are no any output of footer, because I have not used custom tag of footer. So first of all we need to use custom tag in root file. So I will just use this custom tag inside my root file, means app.component.html, right? I will copy and paste. Sorry, I am missing something. App. Okay, great. Now let's move on. Now here you can see this is a footer. Let's apply some properties on footer part. So first of all, I will just apply on CSS file of footer, and inside this footer I'll just use a background color, like you can choose any color, and I will just write here padding, some padding, like you want, right, 3%, and now with auto, and you can write here height is also auto, and position is also I want fix this position, and also I will use bottom, like want 0% bottom, and I will save again. Now what happened? So okay, I will apply with here 100%, 100%. Now so okay, that is great, but I want to this tag on center. So like you can use text align center. Perfect. So header part is complete, footer part is complete, right? Now let's move on sidebar. So inside sidebar I want to use some images, right? You can choose any images from, we have one website like image you want, you can use some images from this site, like I want to use this is a very beautiful pic, and I will copy image address of this image. And now let's move on app.component.html, right? And inside this I will go inside app.component.ts, and here I will create one properties for image, right? So just I will write image URL. I will set string type and right here I'll copy this link. Now I will use these properties, and paste inside app.component.html, because this is a header part and this is a footer part. I will use between header part and footer part. I want to display this image between header part to footer part, header part between footer part, right? I will just use here image tag. Beside this image I will use src source file, and right here by using interpolation, right? I will copy this image, and okay, first of all I will just copy, save, and now again let's move on. But there is no any output. Why I get you some error? It's okay. First of all I will save this file. Now again I will go inside. So I think I will set some width of this image. So width is I think 30% is enough. Now this is perfect. So this is a very simple way how to create header part, how to create footer part, and how to create sidebar part, right? You can easily create. So this is a very simple way. If you want to use any other image, any other like let's say I want to use this image, I will copy this, and also I want to use this image. First of all I will create one properties image one url string, and inside this string I will paste this link, and I will save and copy this properties, and right here I will copy and paste inside this interpolation, sorry, image one underscore url, right? And I will think I don't need any width. Okay, I need some width, so just right here. So this is a very simple way how to create how to use and how to create header part and footer part. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.